Hola. Hello. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? ¿Me pueden escuchar? Everything okay with the audio? Okay. Good, good. This time I'm going to try something. So far I have been using a feature where I can hear myself in my headphones, just so I can make sure that that the audio is fine. I just noticed there was no background music and I fixed it. Now that's why I'm always checking my audio. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to disable the feature because listen to yourself, listening to myself speak is a bit tripping, because I hear myself thinking it and then I say it and then I hear it again, and that kind of messes up a little bit my pacing when I speak. That's why sometimes you see me speak a little bit and then pause and then continue speaking, because I kinda need to let the audio play before I speak again, or I'm going to stumble on my words. So yeah. Okay, since we are good with that, let me switch to a more gamey background music. This one, right here, and I will switch to development screen. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this time I will not be having so many audio issues, so I don't have to keep listening to myself. Okay, so today I'm going to do the missing animations for this anime. And we have this, and this is the current state of the game. It doesn't quite look right. But this is what we have right now. Yeah, I need to check the hitboxes for sure. Okay, So let me do that real quick. Let me check the hitboxes. Just to make sure. So here the collision mask is rather than per frame, I'm going to make it a rectangle. Automatic, let's make it manual. And I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Like that. Yes, that's a good point. Let me check the objects. I have it set as same as sprites, so I can just switch. I think I will leave it like this because we are not going to be using this feature, the hitbox. Yeah, the thing is that, for example here, the hitbox must be a little bit different. Than we are, for example, attacking. Actually, let me, now that I know this, maybe I should have a consistent hitbox for this. Let me close some of these. And I'm going to need those. I'm going to close that one, this one too. I don't need this. Yeah. When I thought about it a little bit more, I realized that probably it's going to cause issues if I don't have a consistent hitbox. So let me close all this stuff just to make room. And let me check these hitboxes. So we have this one, and we can see here the different parameters for the hitbox and its size. So if, for example, let me close this. If we check this one, for example, this rectangle is slightly different to this one right here. If, for example, I use these parameters over here, this is pretty different when it comes to the structure of the hitbox. Actually, it's not so bad, it's just off center. Yeah, I could just mark it on the objects as it is, but I will need to change it when we are attacking, because I will need the hitbox for the attack specifically. Let me see. Let me reopen this workspace because it's causing issues. Okay, I could switch this to specifically this, and I will need to alter the code over here, not this one. Bienvenida, bienvenida. Bienvenida. Ya me estaba preguntando por qué no habías dicho nada en chat. Welcome. So I would need to change here not only the spray index but the attack. Let me open the player. I would need, for example, something. Where is the attack? Moving idle attack. Something like this. Let me make this bigger so you can actually see. Ok, so necesitaría cambiar la colisión a que fuese igual a la del ataque. En estos casos. To make sure the attacks actually match on the hitbox. And at the end of this, I need to set the mask to what it was before. Probably not here, but on the animation end. In the window. Well, no, it would be on the window over here. Right here, we set it to... Ya. Sí, lo voy a cambiar de regreso a como estaba antes. Nada más necesito recordar... ¿Cómo se llamaba? Ahí está. Ok. So, in theory... En teoría eso debería de arreglar las colisiones. That should solve the collision issue. It doesn't seem like it quite make much of a difference. Let me check if there is maybe something with the actual collisions. Déjame ver si hay algún problema con las colisiones. Aquí con los del ataque. Este se ve bien. Este se ve bien también. This one looks good also. Yeah, they look very goofy. Okay. This one seems okay also. And this one needs to be fixed. Let me see here. Maybe I should fix this one right here for the landing. Let me place these values here just to have the collision, and then I just center this. Like that. That way it goes like this. Maybe a little bit. Okay, and for this one I will do the same. I'm going to grab these numbers: 19, 44, 27. So 19, 44, 27, and the last one was what? 42. 42 para el último. De esa forma tienen la misma, el mismo tamaño las colisiones. This one also has the same structure with the collisions. This also is okay. Okay, let's put it to test. Probamos. Ok, parece que las colisiones ya están mucho mejor. Let me retry that. There still seems to be a bit of an issue. Let me fix a bit the code over here. Yomeniki. El arte, probablemente. Tiene un estilo muy similar ahora que lo pienso a Yomeniki. It does have a bit of a resemblance to Yomeniki for sure. What I was thinking to do it, what I wanna do, I forgot. Oh yeah, I want to open this. And I want attack range to be higher. Let's see. That looks kinda okay, I will say. Creo que eso se ve bien. ¿No les parece? Okay, then I'm going to create the ones for up and down. Sí, de momento no tengo un estado de muerte para el jugador, entonces por eso no se muere. Okay, I need to work on this. And let's edit. Ok, so primero que nada necesito probablemente borrar todos estos de plano. Probably need to just delete all these ones for now. And okay, so I'm going to need to change first the facing. So primero necesito cambiar que esté mirando en la dirección opuesta. Probablemente así. Y esta va a ser nuestra base primero. I should have 1 second. I made a mistake right there. Cometí un pequeño error ahí. Let me delete all this. Actually, déjame agarro la misma estructura que estoy manejando acá. This I'm going to copy. Not this one, I need the wind up. This one. So I'm going to use this as reference. And let me close the rest. And I lo agrego y este lo voy a borrar. Ok. And no tenía yo uno con todas las partes separadas. Parece que no. Ok. Ok. Entonces déjame, comienzo dándome una guía. Ok, ahí tenemos ya una guía. Y voy a necesitar otra capa for the face. And for now, let's start with that. So first, I just need to delete this. Me equivoqué otra vez. I made a mistake again. That, and I want to delete this. Okay. So we are here, and I make another one like this. Actually, I could just grab most of this as a reference, couldn't I? Probablemente puedo utilizar esto como referencia en su mayoría. Let me first fix the frames a little bit. Déjenme arreglar un poquito los cuadros. Actually, now that I notice, these frames are pretty much the same up to this point, so I could just tres, seis, ocho. Okay, so I will just clear this. Like that. And I duplicate 3, 6, 8. Ok, pues depende mucho del tipo de slime, porque si no le pongo tiempo de salto a salto, entonces sí sería bastante difícil. Ah, you mean ¿te refieres a la guía de fondo? No sé si agregar más slimes de diferentes colores. En mi idea inicial sí va a haber más de un tipo de slime, pero ya no estoy seguro, porque viendo la variedad de enemigos que tengo planeados, a lo mejor sería demasiado. It could be a little bit too much if I implement too many enemies. So that's an issue. Actually, I have an idea here. I can just cut this like that, like this. And then I just copy, and then we flip. Let me flip, and we are going to clear this side. And we do this. Does that work? Maybe it's a little bit too fast. What's the speed over here? 12 frames. This is also 12 frames. Actually, okay, I see the issue. One moment. Is that I don't have selected the right file. I believe was this one right here. So we switch to 12 frames. There we go. And now I need to add this to the code right on the wind up. So that would be up and dirección es, esta es izquierda, I need this to be up. Actually, I made a mistake, didn't I? Let me duplicate this and give it the right name. Attack up, wind up. Okay, let's see. We have if we are like that. Yeah, the attack is not there, that's why they can't really jump far. Okay. Now that we have that, I can try, for example, this one. Let me close this. This is the wind up. This is attack. Okay, let me check attack left. I think I can do something similar where I just grab this and I can get rid of most of this. And this one also. I need this one over here. So I think this should be given this. Let me delete this one and this one. Ok. Sí, podría ser lo mismo y debería de funcionar, pero veo que la figura no encaja perfectamente. So I was thinking about how to go about it. Estaba pensando en cómo hacerlo. Ok, creo que aquí lo más conveniente I could grab this piece right here and maybe rotate it. And add it like around here, like that. And then I will do this. Something like that. Yes, actually it is very close to the shape of a boo, that's true. Actually I can just grab this, flip it and place it right here. Like that, and we can do the same right here. We flip it and like that. So we have these two frames and I don't need this frame anymore. And then we start shrinking the tail slowly as it goes forward. So here I'm going to do the same. I'm going to do this and move all this slowly forward. So in theory that should get us to this point. Then there is a little dip that I see right here. Yes, a little dip. And then we have let me get rid of this once. Right there. And here I can take the face. And place it right here. Actually, hold on. Okay. I'm not sure what happened here. Did I cut through this by mistake? No me di cuenta que estaba muteado. I didn't notice that I was muted. I think maybe it would be better for the bottom because this is supposed to be an attack upwards. Yeah, I probably will fix it when we are doing the attack downwards. But right now I want to finish making the up attack. Direction up, attack up. Okay, that actually looks correct. Déjame ver. Attack up, please. Okay, it kinda looks correct. Sí, es que pasó una ambulancia y tuve que silenciar el micrófono para que no hiciera demasiado ruido. Yeah, an ambulance passed by, that's why I had to mute myself. That looks good, I guess, the attack up. ¿Se ve bien el ataque hacia arriba? Maybe it's flying a little too much? Yeah, it kinda goes all the way to the top, huh? Let's see. Do you fly all the way up the top? Is that too much? Yeah, it's too much. Why are you flying so much? I'm going up, I wonder. Did I place too many frames maybe? It's the same number. Maybe I should remove a few frames here. Drop these to a little bit less. Let me see. Something like this. That doesn't quite look correct. Yeah, no. Maybe... Wait, I changed the wrong one. Let me see. Attack up. Frames per second 12. Maybe I can fix this. Like that. Okay, that looks better. Quiero ver algo en particular porque veo que hay unos momentos donde por alguna razón el ataque no hace daño. I wanna check something real quick because I noticed that at some points the attack actually doesn't do any damage. So I want to check what's up with that. Yeah, right there I didn't get any damage. I did receive damage right there. That's a bit odd. Yeah, but the thing is that the slimes are not supposed to have invincibility frames. So I see that some slimes don't actually hurt each other. Se supone que los slimes no tienen cuadros de invencibilidad, so I see that sometimes they don't hurt each other, which is a bit weird. Like right there. Did you see that? They didn't hurt each other. If they hit each other, they should be hurting each other. So I find that really odd. Like right there, that collision right there should have killed one of them. What's happening here exactly? Maybe it's the particles? I'm not quite sure. I'm starting to feel that maybe the particles when they jump is the issue. I mean, these things right here. Maybe if I remove this, tal vez si quito estos dejará de tener ese comportamiento extraño. Ok, eso se vio más limpio. That look a little bit more clean. I kinda feel like there is still something weird about it. Well, it looks better. Se ve mejor. Okay, let me now make the wind down because I need it. Wind down. So I'm going to use this thing right here. And this will be attack, up, and down. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just hide these layers. Right. Wait, did I place the... Yeah, I placed the mount on the same layer. Okay, I think that will make it. La diferencia entre el código de movimiento y el de ataque, the difference between the attack code and the movement code is actually not that big. This is not going to, okay, I think this is good as it is. Just let me check sobre el código. So, about the code, the thing is that when I had the enemy attack, I call the movement and I call the attack. So first you move and then then we check for impact, if there is any overlap between the two sprites. No sé si me doy a entender. Primero movemos el personaje y después hacemos el ataque. I don't know if that's what you are wondering. Oh, wait, I think I see where could be the issue. Because in the movement, where is my script for movement? When we move, we check if we are going to collide first and then we move. So if we are going to collide, then we don't move. Ah. So there is a chance that we won't collide because we are checking if we are overlapping first. Okay, let me rethink this a little bit because that's a big issue right there. Si hay un problema grande aquí con este código. Huh. That means that when we attack, I'm checking if there is an overlap right here between these objects. Okay, that's the issue right there. Because I'm using the same hitbox for the movement as the attack. That's what's causing the issue right there. Ok, let me rethink. Necesito repensar cómo funciona esto. Poner la función en vez del ataque del movimiento primero. The issue with that is that, let me demonstrate. Let's say we have the enemy right here. This is our slime, right? And we have something that is going to hit. When we move, before we step forward, cuando nos movemos, en vez de simplemente movernos, lo que hago es proyectar como un fantasma del slime hacia el frente y checo si está chocando con algo. Si está chocando con algo, entonces ahora sí me muevo. Ese es el algoritmo de movimiento. Okay, that's the movement algorithm. The thing it does is projects like a shadow in front, and then we check if we are hitting something, and then we move, right? El de ataque lo que hace es que checa la colisión de que estamos ahorita. Checa si el enemigo está, por ejemplo, sobreponiéndose con otro en esta área, Y si checa que si están sobreponiéndose, entonces causa daño. If they are overlapping, then the attack script causes damage, right? But at no moment the attack moves the enemy, right? So even if I call attack, if the enemies don't overlap, they don't do damage. I think no hay problema. Estaba explicando cómo funciona el algoritmo de ataque de movimiento. Básicamente el algoritmo de ataque lo que hace es que checa si, por ejemplo, el enemigo está sobreponiéndose con otro y causa daño una vez que detecta este espacio que están encima de los enemigos, ¿correcto? El de movimiento, por el contrario, lo que hace es proyectar un fantasma hacia el frente para verificar si vamos a chocar con algo antes y después nos movemos. Entonces, si estoy haciendo algo como aquí, donde primero me muevo y luego checo si estoy atacando, en algunos casos donde no se encimen los enemigos no se van a hacer daño entre sí. I think that the easiest solution, if you remember correctly, the way the sword works for the player, la forma en la que funciona la espada del jugador es que tenemos al jugador y proyecto un área de ataque, y lo que hago es que ignoro por completo al jugador. Básicamente el jugador aquí no existe, y checo si hay algo encimándose con el área de ataque, por ejemplo al enemigo, al slime, y donde se sobreponen es donde hago el daño, ¿right? Entonces, para los slimes, lo que voy a hacer es tener un slime normal. I'm going to, probably the best solution is to have the normal slime project an attack like I do with the player forward, and if that overlaps with another slime, then we do damage, right? I believe that would be the best idea, so I don't have to completely modify how my code works. Así no tengo que modificar tanto el código. Lo que haría sería crear una... Sería, por ejemplo... esta. Let me close this real quick so I don't get confused. Déjame cerrar todo esto para no confundirme. Básicamente voy a agarrar esto de aquí y lo voy a copiar. I'm going to duplicate this, and this will be our hitbox. Y esto va a ser nuestra chequeo de colisión. Y lo que voy a hacer, what I'm going to do is grab this guy, and I'm just going to hold on. I'm just going to inch it, moverlo un poquito. Oh, I'm sorry. Perdón, se me olvidó que estaba eso abierto todavía. Okay, what I'm going to do is grab my sprite for the enemy, and I'm going to just move it 1 pixel in the direction it's going to go. Lo voy a mover solo un píxel hacia un lado para hacer que sea como una sombra hacia el frente con un solo píxel. para hacer la detección del golpe. Entonces ahora estos están un píxel más al frente que la animación normal. Actually, let me check because I think I might have made a mistake. Let me open this one. Podría hacerlo desde código, pero creo que causaría más problemas de los que resolvería, la verdad. I could make it from code, all that, but I think it would cause more issues than it solves, mainly because I don't know exactly how to shift so much the sprites. I think it's better if I just fix the animation instead of trying to do it by code, because I feel like I'm going to get in more trouble trying to do it that way. Ah, I see what you mean. That in theory would work. It's just that I believe I'd rather keep all the code working more cleanly, because that means I will have to have an attack function for the slimes and a different one for the player. I'd rather use the same code for both. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't want to have too many variations of the same code, because it might cause issues later. What's wrong? Are you hearing something, or is my audio doing something weird? Because I hear something happening on the street outside my window. Did you hear something up or something? Yeah, I can detect if the movement function actually found something ahead. That I can do. What you mean is that for example, here in the code, if I check the movement, you see that first I check if we are hitting something, and then we made the movement, and I have this little else that tells me that I hit a wall right there. So I could, for example, just say, if we hit something, try to hit it, try to do damage. The issue is that I don't know what I hit. It could be a wall. It could be grass, for example. Oh, I never actually thought about that. Wait. Hold on a second. I just realized something. Because the way I coded this, does that mean... Where are you? This. Does that mean that when can they destroy grass? They can destroy grass. Por la forma en la que codié a los slimes, ellos también pueden destruir las plantas que están en el escenario. Eso no me lo esperaba. I didn't... I haven't thought about that. Okay. I think yeah, I think I could do something like that. I'm doing something similar right here when I hit a wall. The issue is that I don't know what I hit, and since I don't know what I hit, I don't know the ID. The ID of the thing I hit. That's an issue. Because I'm getting the IDs I hit right here. Then checking if I hit it before or not, and then doing the damage. I would have to figure out a way to obtain the IDs without using the hitbox of the attack. You mean the movement one? I don't know, let me check. Place meeting. Muestro el manual para ver de esta función, para checar colisiones. Regresa un booleano. No. Regresa un booleano. No regresa el valor de la colisión. I would have to call this the one for movement, and then call this the one for attack. This also. But if that's the case, maybe I should just call this one in the end. Let me just implement it this way. This one is that one. I just kill this and duplicate this and make it again. Box. And what I'm going to do here is just move this thing. This one up. Yeah, but I would be doing 2 checks. One for if we hit something, and then to know what we hit. And the attack already does pretty much that. Just if it didn't detect anything, then they just return, I believe, null or 0. So it's better just use the attack, because then you are doing pretty much double the work when it comes to detections, I mean. In a game like this, that doesn't really matter, but if you are doing, for example, one of the Toho games where it's a bullet hell, then that does matter right there, because that's a lot of detections for collisions. Sí, estaba explicando que tratar de detectar, por ejemplo, el ataque simplemente moviendo al personaje poquito hacia arriba y después regresarlo para checar si se están si se están encimando, y después checar desde código qué fue lo que golpeamos. Es como que hacer el doble del trabajo, porque el ataque ya detecta qué es lo que golpeamos. Okay, I need to duplicate this one right here. Ok, that should do the trick, I believe. Creo que eso ya debería de haber arreglado eso. Ahora ya deberían de matarse entre ellas los slimes. Mucho más fácil. Se atoró un slime ahí, ¿verdad? Déjame ver qué pasó ahí. A slime got stuck right there. I need to know exactly what happened there. Ah, I see. Es la colisión del ataque hacia abajo el que está pasando problemas. Yeah, it's because when they attack, cuando atacan hacia abajo es una animación diferente, entonces es lo que está causando problemas. Because of the down attack is, because it's different, is causing the slimes to get stuck on the wall. So if I stand here, it should happen again. Get stuck right there. Well, not quite, but almost. Right there. Sí, terminan metiéndose a los backrooms. Okay. That's looking good right now. So we have the hit, the up, wind up, the right, and his wind up, left, and wind up. I just need the down attack. So what I'm going to do is duplicate this. This will be down. And let me get rid of this one. And what I'm going to do here is pick this one, and I'm just going to go ahead and not that, excuse me. This one right here, and we go like that. Yeah, I think that's correct. And these are the same, so I'm just going to go ahead and kill this. Actually, no. Actually, I can duplicate that one and just start doing stuff like this to make it a little bit shorter. Does it? ¿Te recuerdas microondas? Eh, that doesn't quite sound correct to me, but well, if your microwave is kinda messed up, then I do believe it will sound very creepy. For sure. Si tu microondas está descompuesto, por supuesto que ha de estar haciendo unos ruidos raros. Yeah, that sounds a bit dangerous. Sí, suena peligroso, ¿eh? ¿Por qué no estás dibujando? No estoy seguro si yo lo consideraría suerte. Suena más bien a que no te ha pasado nada de momento, pero puede bien que suceda más adelante. Discord Lightman. Yeah, I don't use Discord Light mode for sure. Okay, that's attack down. Let me make the hitbox. Ese es el ataque hacia abajo. Déjenme hago el hitbox. Right here. Ok, creo que este hitbox funciona. Yeah, I think that hitbox works. Now I need wind ups, and I'm going to be using this wind up. Just going to duplicate it. And attack down, wind up. Let me close this. And I'm going to need this. Wind up, not wind down. This one. So I'm going to grab this face right here. Actually, I have the little eyes right here. And I want this mount right here. Mortal mount. Yeah. But it's cute. Okay, that's good enough. And I'm just going to like that. So that should, oh, my mistake, I didn't want to do that. This. ¿Sí comprarías uno de esos? Oh wait, I forgot to change the code. Se me olvidó agregarlo aquí al código. It's over here. Right one down, up, down. ¿Comprarían un peluche de ese slime? Estoy tratando de ver cómo están las colisiones. Como que a veces funciona y a veces no. Maybe it's because I made a mistake here. No, it looks okay. And the hitbox is correct, right? Yeah, it looks correct. Yeah, there is some issue with the collisions, I see. Yeah, there is probably an issue with the pixels. I think I'm going to have to return to the collision issue to make sure that it's working correctly, because I feel like it's not quite what I want it to be. Actually, let me try something. How about if I have this and I add one more layer? Let's call this one hitbox. And what I'm going to do is this. Actually, no, not that. Just going to select this like this. And if this is here, I could add a few forward. Oh, I see what you mean. Ah, ya entiendo a lo que te refieres. Yeah, the movement can be bigger than one, for sure. So let me check how is this. So we start moving and we don't do anything right here. We check if we are meeting with other pages. Okay. The movement could be bigger, that's true. Okay, the movement can be bigger. I'm thinking how to implement that, and I'm not quite sure. Because the problem is mainly with the IDs. Creo que el problema está en que sí entiendo cómo debería de ser, cómo lo mencionas. Porque el movimiento sí podría ser más grande que un píxel, eso sí es correcto. déjame primero intentarlo de esta forma. Let's see. So we have this, and I just hide that. And what I'm going to do is this attack is this one, I believe. Yeah. So I'm going to grab this one and delete it. Duplicate this. This will be the hitbox. And what I'm going to do is show that one and hide the rest. That way, on the way down, they should do the damage I expect them to do. Yeah, because those two are not really hurting each other. Okay, the issue with the collisions might be a bit harder than I expected. El problema con las colisiones es ser más difícil de lo que esperaba. Creo que sí voy a tener que implementar eso que me menciona. Chances are I probably am going to need to implement what you mentioned of detecting the attacks through the movement. But maybe not quite exactly as you describe it. Probablemente no exactamente como él lo describe, pero algo parecido. Yeah, but the issue here is that the combat is the main focus of the game, so I need it to be pretty much perfect. Let me do something interesting. That's quite interesting right there. I'm not exactly sure how to solve this issue. Maybe I do need to make it a separate script from the movement. Huh. I'm trying to rethink this function. Estoy tratando de pensar de nuevo esta función, pero tomando en cuenta el movimiento de los slimes, but thinking with the slimes taking into account. Maybe I should modify this one slightly. I'm using this here. Actually, I think I have a solution. Creo que tengo una solución. I can, for example, get a position to check like this. And that means I will need to grab, for example, this. In the attack right here, I will need something like this, and I will need this for the other one right there, and this would be also true for the player. Player. Pareció un caballero. Literalmente se manifestó así como el diablo, nada más hizo puff. I was thinking on this thing right here. Right here, XY. I think that works. Let me see. That looked a lot more smoothly than before, for sure. Eso se ve mucho más limpio que antes. Sí, los ataques se ven mucho mejor, eso es cierto. Yeah, they should probably end early if they hit something, but that means I need to code an what you call it? An interruption? An attack interruption? That probably I should code it to tell you the truth. Probably that's something I need to code. Also, because I made this modification, that means I don't need these things right here. I don't need those, and that means I don't need these things right here. Actually, I do need this, but not this in particular, this. Like this. I could make it simply by changing the state. Here in the attack, I could change, this is changing the enemy ID, I could change I could have something like this right here, but I need to code an animation. No sé, pero que también me recuerda un juego de NES que jugaba hace mucho, como tipo laberinto, donde creo que se trataba de atacar los enemigos que intentaban atacarte. I have no idea what game you're mentioning. No tengo idea qué juego es ese, la verdad. No me suena a ningún juego que haya tocado yo antes. Pero también había muchos juegos pirata en la época del Super NES, entonces... I think, let me check if the code didn't change anything. The stuff I changed, I mean. You know what? I know of an improvement. Se me acaba de ocurrir una mejora aquí. Puedo simplemente, cuando checo el ataque, invertir esto. Eso debería de mejorar las cosas muchísimo. This should improve things quite a lot. Okay, I need to fix something, actually. Ahora que lo noto, parece ser que it seems like the dead animation has a collision, which that shouldn't be correct. Esta no debería de tener colisión. Oh, that could be. Ese juego podría ser. ¿Cuál era el nombre de ese juego? Déjame lo busco. Ese juego se llamaba. ¿Cómo se llamaba ese juego? ¿Cómo se llamaba ese juego? Estoy seguro que probablemente es este juego, pero no recuerdo. ¿Cuál? ¿Cuál era el nombre? What was the name? I kinda remember. What was that? It was, let me see if I can find it. That, where, what I can't remember, ¿por qué no lo recuerdo? It was a Detective Quest? No. Dungeons and Dorm Kit? No, that was another different one. I believe it was... What was that? The name was, I have it. I see the game. Veo el juego en mi mente, pero no recuerdo el nombre. Es Ghosts and Goblins. Was this the game? Uh, this game? Ghosts and Goblins? I believe that might be it. ¿No? Este es uno de los más famosos de esa era. Entonces no es este, not this one, no, voy a necesitar más información porque... Yeah. I'm going to need more information because that's a bit difficult to guess. Porque casi todos los juegos en estas épocas tenían slimes, así que... Tendrías que decirme un poquito más de cómo se veía el arte o qué tipo de juego es. It looks better, but not quite perfect. No estoy seguro cuál juego sea. Porque sí jugué muchos juegos de NES, pero recuerdo que había muchos que tenían slimes. Estaba Dragon Quest. También uno que se llamaba... Creo que el de los zombies comieron a mis vecinos, creo que se llamaba ese juego. The Zombies Ate My Neighbors also had slimes. También tenía slimes. Sí, porque la verdad no tengo idea. No tengo idea de cuál sea el... I have no idea what's... what game is that. Y es raro que no logre adivinar el juego que alguien me mencione. It's pretty rare for me to not actually be able to guess a game, so it must be very, 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 very unusual. Let me... set this right here. Eso debería de hacer las cosas más limpias. Sí, eso está mucho más limpio todavía. Yeah, that's cleaner. For sure. Um, we do have a heat animation right here that really actually let me fix that. They should be going right here. And they should be like this. Okay, that seems to be working pretty good, I would say. Ya parece estar funcionando bastante bien. Ahora lo que quiero es esparcirlos un poco. Let's see how does that look. Vamos viendo cómo se ve eso. Ok, eso se ve bastante bien, diría yo. Yeah, that's an issue too that I probably need to fix. Let me check movement. Basically, I need just to add here the player, I believe. That should fix that issue. Okay, that looks good, I would say. Really nice. And what else? ¿Qué sería bueno agregarle al juego? En cuanto a combate, me refiero. Would it be nice to, for example, maybe make it a flash when they get hit? Let's see. This. Let me give the enemies a little bit more health. Right here, déjame, les doy más vida a estos. Veamos. That looks pretty weird, I must say. And they're pretty durable. Tienen mucha duración estos monos. Oh wait, is there no... I see. De hecho ya vi el error. No tenemos un caso de estos. This is the issue. I need to change the state right here. Like that. Could you get out of the way, please? Maybe I gave them too much health. Tal vez les di demasiada vida. There we go. I'm out. Yeah, it's a bit hard to tell when they get hit, huh? And they sometimes get stuck, for what I can see. Sí, ya vi que se están atorando entre ellos. Como que quedan encimados y después ya no se pueden mover. Yeah. That's an issue right there. No, I think it's more an issue with the collision. Probably right here. The size of the collision mask. Look at that. Yeah, that's definitely the issue right there. Let me set this to precise. Actually, let me make it manual. that's that. And let me check this one. I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller. Like that. And I believe these ones are also okay. No, this is wrong also. Manual, please. This one should be automatic board per frame because it's an attack. This one looks okay, I believe. Maybe a little bit too big. I could make it slightly smaller. This one looks fine actually. This one looks okay. This one, I think I can make it slightly smaller. This one looks okay. This one is okay. This could be slightly smaller. Yeah, that's you're right. Probably should be better if this is wrong, completely wrong. Let me grab the size of this right here. To grab the correct coordinates right here. And this, then I just kind of center it right there. And we can grab this to use for the others. 42, 26, 41, okay. This one I'm going to leave it like that. This one probably needs fixing. 21, 42, 41, and 26. Right there. Okay. This one's also the same. We said this is 5, 26, 12, 27. Like that. This one's fine as it is. This needs to be 21, 42, 42. The other one was what? 42, 27. Like that. I believe that's correct. Let me check. Out of my way. Get out of my way, please. Thank you. Now let's see. There's these two that got stuck right there. So there might be one collision that I'm still need to correct. Yeah, they're still getting stuck, so there might be something missing right there. Let me do something here, just to make it look a little bit better. I'm going to grab this right here, copy. Just going to add a little coloring right there. That looks really weird. Now you can tell when they take damage, but it looks very weird. Let me fix this. What I'm going to do is simply I'm going to change all the colors right here. So it doesn't blink so much. Okay, that should look like this. Yeah, that looks way better to tell the player that the enemy is getting hit. Yeah, I did notice that probably the sideways hit is causing issues. The left don't wind up, I believe, this one. Let me check. Hmm, 5, 26, 26, 11. Let me actually close all this because it's causing, I don't know what's where. So let me close that and open a new one, and we are going to check left down right here. Yeah, that doesn't quite look correct. So we have 5, 26, 26, 11. Like that. Left up. Let me see the collision mask. That looks slightly off, actually. Like by 1 pixel. Okay, and this one doesn't matter because this is per frame. So this one right here, that looks actually correct. This one also looks correct. This also looks correct. This looks kinda off, not gonna lie. But it shouldn't cause any issues. This probably is an issue right here, because this is supposed to be an attack. So this should be like this. Okay, maybe that should do the trick. They are still getting stuck. Maybe I'm missing something still. Can you set all the hitboxes for collision the same for this enemy? Well, I could, for example, on the object you mean? It's set for a specific one. I could enable that. Maybe that will fix something. Out of my way. They still get stuck, huh? I think I know what's happening. What is exactly... Yeah, I'm changing the hitbox in the attack. So it matches the shape of the enemy. So it's fair for the player, you could say. How do I solve this? Because, for example, I managed to... Well, I thought I had managed to make them get stuck, but... Attack hitbox, attack the folding box movement. Oh, I see what you mean. That could work, maybe. Let me see. That would mean that instead of fixing this on the wind down, right here, I'll just do it before the enemy. No need to wait. So it would be like this. That seems to have actually fixed that. I don't see anyone getting stuck right now. Yeah, you were right. That's a pretty good solution actually. Yeah, now no one is getting stuck. Yeah, you're totally correct. That's quite a good solution. Sí, esa fue una solución muy buena. Can I interrupt the path? Ah, I ran out of life. Ok. Parece que eso quedó bastante bien con ese ajuste. I also forgot to fix the window right here. I just noticed that I need to put this window direction down. Down, going down, up, going down, like that. Do I not have a down going down? I don't, huh? I'm missing one right here. I'm just going to fix this real quick. Like that. Would you let me out, please? Excuse me. For 1.3, I mean for 0.3, I think is fairly good. Let me check my notes. Notes. Okay, not quite. I need to. This is done right here, that's for sure. Este ya quedó. Este no, este tampoco. Este ya está, ya sabemos dónde va a estar. We know we're going to place this one. I haven't fixed the teleport of the cave, I believe. I did improve a little bit the animation for the line. Yeah, I need to fix this too. The crack wall should not be too difficult, I believe. The vulnerable bush or tree, that could be a bit difficult, but not too much. I think I can do this two and this one on a single stream. Estos 3 puntos creo que me los puedo aventar en un solo día. Las bombas son otra cosa que necesito implementar. Ok. Creo que una vez que cumpla con estos puntos, estos deberían de salir bastante rápido, yo creo. These points should be fairly easy to make point 3. So I think I will implement this next time and release a point 3 version. Yeah. Por cierto, Spy Rabbit, tengo un patrón. Tengo un patrón de donde puedes descargar el juego. Después de que termine esta versión voy a liberar la versión 0.3 por si quieres intentar jugar. Si encuentras algún problema me puedes avisar para corregirlo aquí en vivo. El código fuente del prototipo también va a estar disponible si es que te interesa eso también. Okay, yeah, I think we are pretty much almost ready for this version, the 0.3. And I'm seeing that is estabas tratando de encontrar el juego todavía. Mencionaba que tengo un Patreon donde puedes descargar el juego. Voy a liberar la versión 0.3 una vez que concluya estos puntos que tengo aquí. Probablemente después del siguiente directo libere la versión 0.3 por si te interesa. También estaré disponible el código fuente en mi Patreon. No encontraste el juego por cierto, ¿verdad? Porque sí me interesa saber ¿qué juego es ese? El Patreon. El Patreon está. De momento no hay nada que esté detrás de que ocupes pagar por él. Entonces, el prototipo 0.3 va a estar disponible gratis en Patreon. Y el código fuente me parece que está por $1. Creo que nada más le puse una pared de $1. Entonces, si te interesa el código fuente también está disponible. Igual sí. Pero el prototipo como tal va a estar disponible gratis. Hasta que no suelte el demo del juego, todos los prototipos son gratuitos. Ok, I'm seeing that it's pretty late already. Veo que ya es bastante tarde para mí. Entonces voy a pararle aquí y continuamos después. I'm going to stop here and we can continue next time. Let me switch back to my room real quick. Con que sea suficientemente parecido, o sea que puedas saber lo que es, yo debería de poder adivinar qué juego es. A menos de que sea un juego muy 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 oscuro o uno pirata que nunca fue como que liberado oficialmente, entonces sí no podría adivinarlo. But yeah, so I'm going to go have some dinner. Voy a ir a cenar entonces. Muchas gracias por venir al... entonces es muy posible que sea de los piratas, entonces. Pero también existe la posibilidad de que yo lo pueda adivinar, entonces... porque usualmente ese de los de 101 juegos, usualmente son compilaciones piratas. Es muy inusual que suelte una compañía una compilación de juegos así. Ok, entonces voy a ir a cenar. Muchas gracias por venir. Y nos vemos la siguiente semana. Mañana domingo voy a publicar el siguiente calendario de la semana para que estén enterados. So you are aware. Puede que sea un juego que o alguien hizo como yo y lo puso en un cartucho y lo vendieron en una compilación de juegos, O puede que sea que un pirata juntó un puño de juegos reales en un solo cartucho y los vendió todos juntos. Pues una de esas dos opciones. O sea, no es un juego oficial licenciado pues por Nintendo, sino que fue alguien que lo hizo por su cuenta. Sí, públicalo y ya veremos si lo reconozco o no. Si no, probablemente te pueda decir un juego similar, porque usualmente los piratas lo que hacían era copiar un juego. Sí, no sé si has visto mi... Let me switch for a moment. No sé si has visto mi sprite de mi jugador. Este me lo aventé en un solo directo y digamos que no es muy bueno que digamos. No sé si has visto, te tocó ver las animaciones. Por ejemplo, no aquí, la de movimiento de más de cerca. No es muy buena que digamos. Parece que tengo pelo de escoba. Ok. Yeah, it looks very robotic. Se ve muy robótico. Ok. Entonces, entonces me despido. Me tengo que ir a cenar. I have to go eat dinner, so I will stop here. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Nos vemos la próxima vez. Gracias por venir. Bye bye. Buenas noches. Good night. Sí, hasta luego. Voy a checar qué sprite es porque sí me interesa saber qué juego es. Ok, bye bye. Good night. Bye bye. Bye bye.